Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm TyraNoBanks or Tyra, whichever one you want to call me. And today I am going to do the unboxing of my first pair of Uggs ever in life. And they not even the little booties. Like, they not even the little booties. So boom, check it. Story time. So when I was in high school, I liked the Uggs with all, you know, the little sequins and stuff like that. But everybody said they were ugly. And then boom, all the bald-headed girls that said they were ugly had a pair. And at this point, they just be hating. So I gathered that. So now I just get what I want and wear what I want. And you either gonna like it or not. But guess what? I love it. So that's all that matters. You in my business, don't do that. Don't do that. No, but for real, I got my first pair of Uggs and I still got the box, and I think I'm gonna keep the box because who you know just now getting their first pair of Uggs me. So this, of course, as y'all can see in the title, this is the Fluffy Slide from Uggs, and I was just like, oh my god. I got them from Nordstrom.com and I got them for $100 and it was free shipping. Get into it. I know y'all like, Jesus, really, you sat there and bought some shoes for $100 when you could have went in the store. Coronavirus. Coronavirus, okay? When I bought these, Corona was in, it's spiking back up because it's cold season. But yeah, I got these in a size 11. If y'all watch me, if y'all follow me on social media, which y'all should do, TyraNoBanks on Instagram. But if y'all know me, y'all know what color I got. I'm gonna give y'all time to guess. Comment down below if y'all know what color slides I got. Time's up. I got them in black. Let me show y'all. And I got them in a size 11. So when I gain weight, of course my feet get bigger, and then when I lose weight, my feet get smaller. That's just the circle of life. So when I gain weight, my foot size goes up to an 11, and then when I lose weight, it goes down to a 10, and then I can even fit a 9.5 sometimes, and that's just lit. But let's get into the slide. So it is not like that. It's soft, but it's not like that soft. It's not rough either. So it doesn't like irritate my hand or anything rubbing across it. It is a platform. So I'm already 5'8", so I'll probably be like 5'10" with this on, honestly. It comes with this little stretchy strap right here, and it says UGG in black and white. And yeah, like basically I tried the shoe on, and I would do it on camera, but my legs. That's all I'm gonna say, and my feet. You in my business? Don't do that. But this shoe, I don't know if anybody talked about how hard it is walking in this shoe. Y'all think it's just, you know, smooth like butter, but it's not. Y'all gotta practice walking around in shoes before y'all go out in public, because I was walking around my apartment and I almost twisted my ankle. So you have to be real careful in these, but the thing about it, these are comfortable. So it still got that. I really just sniffed the shoe on camera. It really has that, I don't know, like it's warm, and I'm just like, how, you know, now that it's cold outside, how are my feet gonna react to just wearing this? Like, do you wear these with socks, stockings? Like, what do you do? So should I do a video styling these? Let me know down below. I'm gonna have more unboxings, lookbooks, hauls, all that coming to my channel, because I love dressing up and I love buying clothes. So do with that what you will. And let me know what color y'all got in these. I'm thinking about getting some other, like, it's some other type of UGG slides. I don't think I want another pair of these. And like I said, it's because I was walking around in these and I almost fell. And it's just like, why these shoes like this? I don't know if it's because the bottom, like, y'all see, I don't think that matters though. I was gonna say because the fur comes out more. I don't know if that matters or not. It is true to size. So like I said, my size is an 11 right now. This is an 11. definitely, I'm looking made in Vietnam. That's good to know. So like I said, if y'all had these, like and comment down below what color y'all got, and if y'all really like my review, which it was short, but it's only so much you can say about UGG shoes. I mean, they're Uggs. Everybody has Uggs. Well, not everybody, but you know, UGG is just like, I guess, the fancy version of bear paw, and I love bear paw, but they use real fur, so it's like, I don't know how people feel about that. So people rather just wear UGG. I got my first pair. This is not my last, but I'm not an UGG whore, so. But anywho, anyway, so if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and make sure y'all subscribe and turn on that notification button so y'all won't miss any more videos if y'all like me that much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.